But let's get back to answering your queries. You have Lakshman who calls us from Hyderabad. He has a couple of shares, I think investments in Bank of Baroda. So let's go across to Lakshman. Hi Lakshman, good afternoon. How can we help you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Lakshman.
Yeah, I was purchased Bank of Baroda shares to 180 per share at last 2 weeks back.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hold for some time the shares or I can sell present.
Okay, Lakshman, you can hold for 1 more year at least?
Yeah.
1 year is fine. All right. So you're a long-term investor?
Yeah.
Superb. Okay, Lakshman, let's try to help you out with this. We'll get you both a technical as well as a fundamental view. Let's come across to Himen first. Himen, could you give us a technical view and then we'll go across to Vijay?
Yes, yes, Nigel. I think, but in the query he's mentioned 2 months. If he's waiting for a year, then the outlook changes. I was under the impression it's a 2-month view. Then that would be a sell on bounce. But if it's a one year view, I think all the banks would finally gradually recover. So yes, then it's a hold. If it's a 1 year view.
Okay. But let's answer a few more queries. We have Ankush who calls us from Bilai, and he has investments in Adani Ports. Hi Ankush, could you tell us your query?
हेलो सर, गुड आफ्टरनून.
गुड आफ्टरनून अंकुश जी, आपका सवाल क्या है?
सर मेरा सवाल ये था, मैंने अदानी पोर्ट का 110 शेयर से मैंने 340 के रेट में एट प्रेजेंट उसकी अभी 350. मुझे उस शेयर के बारे में आपसे राय लेनी थी कि एट प्रेजेंट उसकी सिचुएशन क्या है, होल्ड पे रखना बेटर होगा कि उसको सेल करना बेटर होगा?
ऑलराइट अंकुश जी, आप लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर है?
या सर, लॉन्ग इन्वेस्ट के लिए मैंने उसको प्लान किया था.
All right. Vijay, what's your take? Adani Ports, at one point of time it was one of the best, supposed to be one of the best fundamentally strong stocks from the Adani group. But unfortunately, even after inclusion in the Nifty, it's not done too well. What's your take on it?
Well, I think that facility-wise, it is one of the best ports they have. So I think that with a medium to long-term perspective, yes, I see 325, 350 coming on the stock, but short-term pain could be there. One thing I would like to mention about Adani Group is, which worries me, the debt on the balance sheet. Although the group has been doing okay, but again, the debt is worrisome, and whichever debt-laden balance sheet I see, I get jitters because I'm not very comfortable fundamentally with the stock. But again, the company has been making the right moves. They've been acquiring a lot of companies and they've been expanding the business. So with a medium to long-term perspective, yes, it can be held on to, but it would take some time for it to come back to 325 to 50 levels.
All right, we have time to squeeze in one more question. So let's straight away go across to Inder Singh's query. He's writing in from Haryana. He has 100 shares in Lloyd Electric at 180. He wants to know if he should hold or sell. Himen, what would you say?
We are in a medium to long-term uptrend, Surabhi. So the outlook remains positive. We are at all-time highs, high tops, high bottoms, no negative divergences. Trend is in motion, short-term correction. Simply put a hold.
All right, and let's come across to Vijay as well with regard to that particular query. Vijay, do you have a view on Lloyd Electricals?
Well, I think the stock has been doing fantastically in the last couple of months, and I think that it has the potential of reaching 330 odd. So yes, with a medium to short term perspective, I think that the stock has the potential to inch up. Yes.
All right, Vijay and Himen, thanks so much for stopping by and answering all your queries today. Pleasure as always seeing both of you all.